Okay, I'm going to be opening it now. And a surprise. And I'm really excited about it, so let's get started. So it says to push here. That does nothing. Oh, I see. I see now. Open it there. Yeah, it's hard. Yeah. There we go. Open now. So, yep, I got this part, and there's something else in here. There's like this straw, and I think some instructions. So here's the straw and the instructions, I think. Yeah, these are probably instructions. So it says to get the straw out. So I'm just going to get this straw out. Oh, that's a pretty straw. It's purple and white. And it says to find a hole somewhere and poke it through. Ah, there it is. So there's the hole, and I'm going to poke this straw through. Okay, I've done that. Now what else does it say to do after that? It says to blow air into it. Confetti! It's confetti! So the confetti was bunnies, squares, cats, and pandas, and hearts. And I took a strip off, and now I have to take this off. Which has more confetti stuck to it. More confetti all across there. Okay, it's very sticky. Then squeeze it. So squeeze it. I'm guessing it says to squeeze it here. Yeah, it's not doing anything. Maybe if I put this back on. Did that pop? Because I heard something pop. Look at this. It's a little cat. And it's striped. It has black and white stripes on it. And it's super fuzzy, and you can hang it on something. And something else is in here. So there are two blind bags, and it has a mystery on it, a question mark, and here I think this is the collector's guide. Yeah. So these are the different ones. And I know which one we've got. We've got this one. The one that looks like a tiger. That's the one we got, the orange one. So I'm gonna open this mystery bag. It's hard to open this. Mommy, can you get me some scissors, please? my mum is just going to get some scissors. It should be on my dressing table in my bedroom. I think these might be shoes and this might be some clothes. I think this might be shoes. Thank you. So let's see. Are they clothes or are they shoes? I didn't click that properly. I think they're shoes. Yes, they are. These are really cool shoes. So these were the cool shoes that they are. And they're like tigers. And it has L and R on the bottom, so we know which foot to put the shoe on. And yeah, so this is the next one, but I think it's going to be clothes, because if we got shoes, it's probably going to be clothes. So let's see. Yeah. Oh, this is nice. So I got a t-shirt, which is nice. It's like a tiger. And it says stripes on it there. And the words are white. And yeah, that's it, what was in there. And now it's time to see the doll. And this is super fairy and so cute. And there's also a zip on the back. Okay, so there's this plastic. So I just gotta take it down. This is hard. Ugh. Is it supposed to be this hard to take it off? Yep, so that you can use as a purse, or you could use it just to put your doll in. And is the doll. Yeah. And there's tape. That's why it won't open. That is so cool. So this is the doll. It's really cute. Her hair is super soft and she has like a little hat and it's really fairy. And it's the same thing as the purse that she came in. She hasn't got her clothes on yet, but she has got pants on and these nets on her. So I'm just going to put her t-shirt on. And there's Velcro, so it's easier to put the t-shirts on. She's very squishy and very soft. I just really like her hair and the hat. It really is nice. So, it's hard to put the t-shirt on. There we go. Especially with all this hair. All of her hair is in the way. So, it is a tricky job to put on her t-shirt, but you'll soon be able to get it on her. There we go. Got her arms through. Now I'm just going to flip it and put the Velcro on. Okay, I've got the t-shirt on. Well, it's kind of like a dress, but it's shaped like a t-shirt. But there it is. And time for the shoes. So, left. My right. There we go. Left. And then right. And there she is. She has this tag on her, and it says na 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 surprise on it, but I might take that off right now. Sorry. That's better. Now let it off. Her hair is really sparkly. It's got like silver sparkles in her hair, and her hair is white. And it's super shiny in the light, and her shoes just fell off. So yeah, she's pretty cool. I don't know if she can stand or not. No, she cannot stand, but her head is squishy. So yeah, but she can move her legs and arms. But yeah. So that's it. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe, like and share. Bye!